Hello everyone, today I have here a smart device from BlitzWolf. It's a smart socket and this will be later used in a project that I'm going to start to work on. That will be a smart home, but I wanted to show you this as it's a standalone device and it's very smart, very small, it's compact and it's very useful. So what this thing is, it's actually like a regular socket. Looks like that, but it has integrated wireless. It connects to your local wireless network, and you can control this from your mobile phone, from your network, and from the cloud, from the internet, as this is powered by BlitzWolf own application. And that looks really similar with the Xiaomi Home, Mi app Home. So you will see that this thing can do a lot of things. It comes with a tiny but huge manual, if you get the joke, and this is a warranty card which says that you have up to 18 months of warranty. I don't know how that applies or where it applies, and here on this thing you can scan to download the app and it will guide you to the setup process, which is very useful. And now let's plug this thing on. And it has a LED that colors the ring around the socket. As you may see, there's a blinking blue LED, which means that it's connected. And the app, it's this one, it's the BlitzWolf app, and it's already set up. It's very easy. You just click on the plus here and you go to the devices and select smart socket. You select find it. It asks you for your wireless password. It takes a bit of configuring time, and that is it. It's working right away. So you can see it's already on. If I press this button, you are going to hear a click, and it's now off, and it's now back on, and it's off, and it's on. It works almost instantly. On the smart menu here, you can add a scene or automation, and you can set this thing to do a power on and power off depending on various factors that you want to program. And it's as simple as that. I'm just going to click on automation, and here it's the condition. For instance, I can select temperature, humidity, weather, sunrise, sunset, schedule, or device. So if I click on, let's say, temperature, when temperature at my city is something that I select, then I'm going to click next. At execution, you can set a reminder, trigger automation, start the socket. For example, I can connect this to electric heater. If temperature outside is very cold, I can turn automatically the heater on, so when I arrive at home it's warm and nice. So that's a type of automation, and you can set up various things here. And if you have several other devices from BlitzWolf, of course, you can add them all in this app, and you can trigger remote, interlinked remote connectivity action or something like that. For instance, my BlitzWolf something, when it starts, I need to turn the lights off or thing like that. You get the idea. Very easy to program and very easy to configure. Right, I don't want to save that. And what is really nice, there are a lot of BlitzWolf devices out there, but you don't see them all. It's interesting if you go here and you want to add all devices. Look at that. So BlitzWolf, it's like Xiaomi. It has electrical outlet, lighting devices, cameras, kettle, rice cooker. Does this sound familiar to you? I'm going to tell you it's very familiar. Thermostats, heater, fan, air purifier. I think that all devices here are Xiaomi devices. I haven't got a way of connecting those devices with this app, but in the near future I might try something, but we are going to see that because it works with Zigbee devices. So most Xiaomi sensors are on Zigbee protocol, so maybe you can use them in this app also, which is going to be really interesting. But the goodies don't end there, because if you click on the device here and it goes actually to the device settings. I'm going to turn it on to have a white screen. Here you have settings for the switch, schedule, timer, and statistics. And in statistics, it shows you the current voltage, and that's really accurate. And it also makes you a log of used power of this device, of what you use on this socket. For instance, if I'm going to connect something that will use power, it's just something that I have around here, and I look into the app, it shows that I'm using 2.2 watts of power. This thing is not really working nice, but it does the job. So it uses 2.3 watts of power, and the drone current is 93 milliamps. It shows that also. So you get information of what you are pulling out of the socket, and it will log you, and it will make you an advanced log here, and it will show you on time and date, and you can create graphics and keep track of your used power, which is really nice. Really advanced feature for such a tiny device. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed seeing this tiny device presentation. If you have any kind of questions, let me know, and I'm going to try to answer them as soon as possible. So until my next video upload, see you and bye bye.